Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the wonderful, wonderful Pacific Northwest. In that little Hickville town of Belfair, Washington. And welcome to my channel. So this is my February 2026 Paper Pumpkin Alternative video number 16. This kit is called Celebrate Spring February 2026, and you could have gotten 3 of this design, 3 of this one, and 3 of this if you made those cards as they were designed, and then the envelopes were white with just the flap with a bit of design on them. So on the back, this QR code would lead you to a video that would show you how to put this kit together as it is designed. There's a visual of everything that comes in the kit. Down here it lists those coordinating colors. Over here, this QR code would have led you to this set of add-on dies called the Beautiful Bloom dies. They will coordinate with January, February, and March of 2026 Paper Pumpkin. Guess what, guys? The new add-on dies are out and available to purchase. You should have gotten a notice in your email if you were a Paper Pumpkin subscriber. And you would have gotten a little picture of the next 3 paper pumpkins. So just a little heads up, right? So our stamps are, and yes, I've ordered mine. We have the 2 Easter eggs, the grass, Happy Easter, Sweet Spring Greetings, and Hello Friend. So with that being said, Mr. Frog has been robbed of his tape, and that would be Mr. Hank. And Mr. Hank better know where this is when he comes home, because I will be highly, highly upset. I came out and Mr. Frog was sitting here on my desk with no tape. So yes, Mr. Hank better find it, because I've been cleaning house all day. It's late in the afternoon and there is no sign of the center of Mr. Frog. So Mr. Frog would like to be complete. I would like him to be complete. I don't know what Hank needed the tape for, but I do know that he did it late last night, because about 9:30, 10 o'clock, my daughter comes in and she says, "Mom, where's Boone? Nobody can find Boone." And I said, "Honey, I put Boone out about a half hour ago. I told you to let him in." She's like, "I know, I saw him, but then I haven't seen him since." And so everybody's up. We're getting flashlights, socks, and shoes, and we're thinking Boone has escaped. And everybody's gonna get in cars. I'm telling Justice, you get in your car. Russ, you got to get in your car. I'll get in mine. He's like, "Well, somebody's got to stay home." And I said, "Well, Hank has to go, because Boone will come to Hank." And so lo and behold, my daughter, is yelling for Boone and everything. And somehow she spanned her flashlight on the back porch and saw that my keys to my stamp room were in the door, and she goes in there and Boone is in my stamp room. Yeah. So Hank apparently came out to rob Mr. Frog. Boone followed him in, and Hank forgot that Boone was in here, and that's where Boone had been for about 45 minutes. And yes, Boone got into all kinds of stuff. He just knows and everything. You can see that he just nosed his way into all kinds of stuff. And so that was our excitement for the night last night with Mr. Boone. Oh, and Hank was upset at first. He was like, "You guys are going to lose my dog." And then it was like, "Hank, you lost your dog. You locked your dog in my stamp room." He was like, "I didn't see him follow me in." I'm like, "That dog follows you everywhere, boy." So anyways, let's take a look at the card we're going to create today. Really simple. I'm going to be using the Easter Time Mix and Match ephemera pack. I'm going to be using one of the Easter bunnies. And where is my embossing folder? Sorry, my calendar is on top of it. All in a row embossing folder, which the more I use this, the more I love this embossing folder with this kit. So we're going to use Shy Shamrock as well. And my coaster is over on the left where it should not be. Really simple little card. So I have half of one of those light lemon lolly card bases. And this is really simple card here. Anybody can do this. You could use any bunny. I'm just using an ephemera bunny. I'm going to use an entire wreath as it is. And I'm going to be using the 3-banner punch. This one right here, I'm going to be using this one. I already have them punched. And the Happy Easter from Sweet Springtime February 2024's paper pumpkin kit. So let's go ahead and get this on our card base. Maybe. We're going to think about it here for a minute. And I will tell you that yesterday I could not even come out to my stamp room because I got a phone call when I was at my Aunt Carol's, and it was Hank's math teacher. And Hank was giving her quite the problem in math class. He was not engaging in his work. It took him 20 minutes to get into doing his work. And then he had a little metal fidget. He would not stop tapping on the desk. He tossed it around. And, ooh, ink. That's from me being in Hank's room, his marking pens, which I was in. Anyways, so she actually called me because I don't know if you guys remember this, but back at conferences, I had told her, especially her and a few others, because it's not a challenging math class. It isn't for him. So needless to say, he still has to be respectful whether he wants to or not. And she is a no-nonsense teacher. Love her to pieces. I think she's wonderful. She doesn't have to put up with crap, and that's what Justice and I have told him. This teacher has more than just you in that classroom, and you better behave. Well, he decided, he was going to push his little line with her in the sand, and she drew a line tighter, and she called me in. And at lunch, she made him have lunch detention. And what he didn't know is that he also had her for 4th period, not just 2nd period. And that he did not. She was covering for another teacher. And he also acted up in that class. And so when she called me, and he was there with her at lunch, I told her, I said, well, I told you that he will lose all electronic privileges when he gets home. I said, so please put that little boy on the phone with me. And I put him on the phone. I said, you will apologize to her immediately, and you will shape up, boy, or you will have no privileges for the rest of the week. There will be no boxing. He was supposed to start boxing today. No, he will not start today. If he does not shape up by the end of the week, he will not start on Saturday either. Period. Point blank. There is no going back. Extracurricular activities are a privilege. They are not a right. and Hank is finding out. Of course, he's going to do it the hard way. But anyways, so today I emailed her again, and I asked her to please let me know how he was today. Because today, depending on how he is in her class, will determine if he has any electronic privileges. But so yesterday when I came home, I called my hubby. I told him that Hank had acted up, that there's no need. So we're going to put our little bunny right here. So as I'm telling you the story of Hank, I love him to pieces. I can smile because, it's just teenagers seeing how far they can get. And if you are going to stand behind what you say. And if you don't stand up for what you say, they're going to, take 1.1 miles and then 2 miles. So you really got to hold the line with them. So I'm going to put a dimensional down here, and I'm going to put one up here and probably one there. So one here, one about there, and then one here for my little bunny. So yesterday when I came home, my baby basically babysat Hank. I told him the only thing he could do was get onto his school and do his homework. And he was like, that homework is a 90-minute lesson. I said, well, then you have 90 minutes to figure it out. And he was bored out of his mind. No phone, no TV, nothing. There was absolutely nothing he could do. And I did not give him, there was nothing. He had extra work to catch up from missing Friday when we put our little dogs down. And he worked on those lessons, and he had lessons in all of those classes, which were 30 minutes or more lessons to make up. And that's all he was able to do. And I went and checked on him to make sure that he was not trying to sneak on anything else. So I couldn't do anything yesterday at all. And he knew I was checking. Oh, he knew he was in so much trouble. My hubby met him at the door and said, hand it over. Give me that phone of yours. Because the phone is a privilege too, even though we don't allow him social media. We allow him to use it on the bus, to listen to music on the way home, you know, but normally he doesn't, he's not really allowed to have the phone at home. He's been trying more and more. But so anyways, we're going to do sweet spring greetings on the inside and a little Easter egg, of course. If there was a little flower that matched the flowers on the front of this, in like one of these, I would have stamped those, but there isn't. So we're just going to go with the little Easter egg here. But yes, so yesterday, hard lesson for him all day long. It was like, he's like, you want to play a game? I'm like, no. He's like, I'm really in trouble. I said, oh, you are in trouble, mister. I said, this is what you get when a teacher has to call me because you are giving her behavioral issues. Hopefully that little boy has figured it out today, because I think he really needs to get out and have some really physical activity, which would be his boxing endeavor. But that is a privilege. I don't have to take him boxing. Boxing is all the way in Bremerton for me, which means I will be driving literally 6 days a week now. Boxing is 3 days a week. And then I go to my Aunt Carol's 3 days a week. So I will be driving every single day but Sunday. And that's a lot on me. It's a lot on my bad knee. It's a lot on my back. And I'm willing to do it because I love him. But I'm not willing to do it if he wants to have an attitude with a teacher. So we draw the line. So next, we are not done. We have to stamp our sentiment. So I have 3 sentiment strips. Hopefully I only have to use 1, but we will see. And I'm using that Happy Easter. Why? Because I like this Happy Easter better than the one in the kit. And that's what's so great about using past paper pumpkin kits or other stamp sets with paper pumpkin. Yes. And oh, when I ordered my 3, okay, so I ordered the add-on dies, right? And I really liked the stamp set that was for the 75, I want to say plan of the day, product of the month, because POD, plan of the day from the military, sorry, that flashed in my head. Oh no, yes, everything's done. So I really like this sweet little stamp set. I'll have to bring my tablet out and show it to you. Really, really cute. So yeah, I had to order $75. So I called Maya Carol. Do you want something? They have these adorable little, look how sweet that is. I mean, that's all there is to it. There's nothing. This is such an easy card. We are going to put a little dimensional here. So I ordered a new stamp set, well, bundle. Really liked it. I liked that it was a 2-step stamping, meaning it had an outline image and then another solid image to stamp inside of it. That looks really cute. Next video, I'll bring my, hopefully I can remember to bring my, let's see, Happy Easter. Unfortunately, I do really want it. We'll just do it partially right here. So you see some of that pink. So I did get that, and I got my add-on dies. Trying to think if there's anything else. These clipboard easels. That's what I got. Yes. I really like those. They're a wood-looking clipboard easel, 3 different sizes. Those will go in my house more than likely, not really my stamp room. That wood green, I can set them on in my living room. Really will go with it. So that's my card. And we'll do some Wink Estella. Do we want to do... We're going to do... I'm going to select where I want to highlight my bunny. I don't want to do the whole bunny. I just want to select some little bits. And then I'm trying to decide if I want Stickles or Wink Estella. We'll do Wink Estella. And yes, I am being selective about where I put it. I know that might seem silly, but for me, I'm looking, let's see, I might just add these. Those are too big to add there. Too big for there. Those you can't see, but these you can. So let's go ahead and try some of these. This is not my favorite color sequence. So no. 1, 2, 3. So 1 here. We'll see if we can use 5. 2. Why 5? Because I want to use them up. 3. 3, 4. I was trying to put them. There's 3. 2 more to go. 4, and I do see where I can place a 5th one. I'm doing them in the squares that have absolutely nothing. I do like that placement though. Yes. Maybe. I'm thinking now. No, I don't want to put one there. Okay, we're going to leave it as that. So there's my card, everybody. So thanks for watching. Wish me luck with Mr. Hank. Send him some good vibes while you're out there. That, you know, and my daughter says, you know, Mom, maybe he's having a harder time than we let on for what just happened. I said, that's okay, but he needs to get his socks in a row. And he does. It's just, you know, I expect more. I demand more of him to put forth the effort to go to boxing. You got to show me. You got to show me that this is something you want, and you have to behave at school to get these privileges. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope to see you all again soon here in my Wonderland. Bye-bye for now, everyone.